I just wanted to do a quick record. I watched a lot of videos of tornadoes, and there's one at our house. We heard the warning. We're down in the basement where our extra room is. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. The light is on. I don't know how we can still have our electricity. I just don't know what to say. I just can't. This is a short film, so sorry. Bye.